I met in an accident when I was about 14 or 15. I went through the windshield of a car, hit a wall, broke all four of my upper front teeth. I guess that would be 7, 8, 9, something like that. And they did a bridge with crowns that lasted probably, I don't know, 10, 12 years. And then we had massive tooth decay under it. And they had to grind down the other teeth on the other side to extend the bridge to support the middle. And that just went on all my life until finally it got to the back and I had a two-piece bridge in. And I just said, you know what? This is it. I always had toothaches. I had like, I don't know, 10 root canals. I just decided to take them out and see what happens and see if I could afford to put implants in. I didn't like it. I really never ever thought that I would ever wear dentures. I was so against it. But when you guys did that first one for me, it was amazing. It just keeps getting better, stronger, and the bite's there, and everything, and the color and the texture. I'm still trying to get my head around the whole thing of printing, you know. I mean, I've heard of them printing guns and printing this and printing that. So, but Alex showed me the machine, and it's pretty amazing. Pretty amazing, because I am a little have a little technical knowledge. So just looking at it was like really unbelievable. It fits really nice because it's not pinching me at the back or the top. The color and everything just looks perfect. I am very happy to. I really appreciate you guys for doing this.
We appreciate it. Thank you. Our pleasure.
If you like this video, let us know by clicking on the like button below. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Comment below with any questions you may have. If you are a patient, please share this video with your dentist. Thanks for watching.